ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ? ಓಕೆ. ನಾನು ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ದಿನದಿಂದ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್, ಸಮ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಟೈಮ್. your ಯಾವತ್ತು 18th ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. 23rd Monday our paper, right? March 23rd is ICSE 10th computer application. You have 4 days of gap. Fifth day you are going to writing exam. 4 days of gap is there. And that is the last subject for the, I think, science students. Commerce student, they have commercial studies and economics are there. So for science student, that is the last exam. Can concentrate. Want to score out full marks. Full marks means 100 out of 100. Your MCQ 2 marks questions is very, very important. And program, I know you people can do. Okay, now so I prepared some MCQ questions. So where the students were losing the marks, the MCQ only. So I prepared 125 very tricky questions. Few around 20 are very tricky. We can discuss one by one. Let me see. So what other questions I prepared? I think you can see the screen. Yeah. So what is the output of the character to lowercase 65? Character to lowercase. If he has given the character in the form of capital A or capital B or capital C in the character, if he has given that, you can convert to lowercase. Sir, here he has given the number. The input is number 65. How we can convert? ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ our brain will work to lowercase 65 ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So it is the implicit conversion. So 65 means capital A. Then I can write small a. So lowercase is small a, right? That is not working. If he has given the capital A, you will get the small a. So he has given 65. So 65 is, what is the ASCII value of 65? A. So what is the ASCII? What is the to lowercase? It converts to lowercase small a. What is the ASCII value of small a? That is the answer. I think you can understand. Don't confuse. ಈ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. Tricky question. So I have taken the tricky question. If it is character is lowercase, her character is uppercase, means the answer is will get false. It is 2. 2 means you are going to convert 1. You are going to convert the upper to lower and lower to the uppercase. So he has given the input is the number, then you can do it. And what does system out dot println 1 plus 2 plus the string 3, what is going to print? So 1 is an integer, 2 is an integer. So both 1 and 2 we can add, because both integer you can add with the integer. Whereas integer we can't add with the string. Just we can add, but we can't do the output, right? So what is the value? 1 plus 2 is 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 and the string is 3 means 33. Even 1, 2, 3 you'll get right means wrong. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6 and further wrong, because this is the integers and 3 is a string. So 1 plus 2, that you can add 3, and another one is 3. So if you want to do the, you can check in the compiler also. What is the answer? 33. Sir, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಬಂತು, ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂತು, ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಗ? 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, that is a string 1 3, 1 3, that is a string the store, right? 1 3 plus 2, but that also we can store. The it will become answer is 1 3 2. So what is the question I asked? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 3. So option is this one. You can check in the compiler. This type of question only will lose the marks. ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟಗಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು. You just think twice. If int array, single dimension array, has given the 3 elements, what is the a of 0? So first you are going to check the nested inside that. A of 0 is 1. So what is the output? What is the answer for this one? Is the next idರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂತು ನನಗೆ 1 ಬಂತು. A of 1 is the A, and the A of 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? 2. As we know, index start from 0, right? So which keyword makes variable value unchangeable? The constant. then you go for final. I think this time you can expect one question related to the final keyword. You can expect. Andre, then final anta kotra, that is fixed. You can't change. That is a constant value. The physics will get the constant, right? In the maths also it's like that. So what is the output of the mat dot rint 2.5? Sir, mat dot rint ನಮ್ಮ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮಾಡೋನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದಿರ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದ ಡಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್. It is also double value to the double only, nearest double value. Now, if it is mat dot round 2.5 is 2, because it's going to convert double to the integer. Here it is a rint. Rint is 2.0. Option 2.0. Sir, 2.5, 3.0 go try it, 2.0 go try it. It will go for the even integer 2.0. You check it in the compiler. You can change the values and check it. And you can check for the negative value also. So what is the value of the resultant? And return type is here taken boolean, and the variable name is result, and he has given the one logical expression, right? First is the relative operator, 5 greater than 2, and 5 greater than 2 true, and he has given logical R. Logical R al namge one sense alli yavade ಒಂದು value ಒಂದಿದ್ರೆ it will become true only, right? ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೂನೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅದೇನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೇನು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. So which sequence is used for backspace? As we know, /t for horizontal space, vertical space /v, carriage return /r, and which is the for backspace? And for /n for the new line, backspace is /b. Got it? Escape sequence in the grade 9, you can go through it. With the meaning of escape sequence, there are 5 to 6 escape sequence. In that, any one question you can expect. Now the question comes. This is the this type of questions you must take the time, some time. So assertion and reason, they will give the one assertion, it like a question, and reason is also answer. You think, sir, you can judge whether the assertion is also true and reason is also true. If both are true, if the reason is a correct explanation for the assertion, that you can to check. Okay, a method can return only one value using the return statement. That's the common sense. A method can return only one statement, like one student having only one register number, one Aadhaar number, like that method it will return only one, it is going to return only one value at a time. Next, the return statement terminates the ಅದಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it come out of the loop, right? It is a jump statement. What are the 3 jump statement in the Java? One is break, another one is continue, and another one is return. So what is the option? Both are true, and reason is the correct explanation. And you can expect another one, I forgot to tell, related to the method only. You can expect assertion, reason, pure method, impure method, static method, non-static method, actual parameter, formal parameter, call by value, call by reference, pass by value, pass by reference. These questions you can expect on MCQ. Not it? Okay, next, which of this is a valid method prototype for overloading void calculate int a? So int calculate int x, int calculate method overloading alli int ಕೊಟ್ಟವನೇ calculate, which is a valid. int calculate int x, int same ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, and it is not a same, so this is not correct. And void calculate int b, here also int and int are same. Here void is same, calculate is same, correct. Int a, it is a double a, so option C. Overloading ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Same method name but different set of the parameters, different set of parameters. Understood? Next, what is the default return type of a method if none is specified? As we know, return type ಏನೇನು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, either primitive, int, double, float, ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಬಹುದು, double, float, boolean ಎಲ್ಲ. But and if you're not going to return any value, you can use void also. But method should have return type. Return type is mandatory, right? So the option D. ಸರಿ ಇಂಟು ವೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಇಸ್ ನನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈಡ್, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಎರರ್. ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸರ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಜಾವಾ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಬೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ yeah, true. In call by value, copy of the actual parameter we are passing to the formal parameter. Where the actual argument or actual parameter is located, the method call, and where is the formal parameter is located at method definition, right? So when we invoke a method, the auto value is passed to the, so both are true and that is the correct explanation. Next, a method overloading is a it is one another one I forgot to tell this one. Method overloading is a, it is also known as compile time permanence. Method overloading, it occurs in compile time, not in the runtime. That is what is the other name for compile time? Sorry, method overloading. It is also known as compile time. True. Overload method must have the same return time. It is senseless. Either reason is false. Method A is true. Reason is false. A method is declared final. ನೀನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೀನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, it cannot be called. You can call, you can overload, it can return a value, but you can't overridden. This question brought doubt, but early first case it is a grade 12th portion ISC early ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂಚೂರು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Memory size of the float data type is, as we know, so what is the least data type, as in the least memory starting from boolean. Boolean is either 1 byte or 1 bit. Next is byte. Byte andre 1 byte. Next, short and character. Short and character store 2 bytes. Next, int and float 4 bytes. Long and double 8. You can go by the priority or priority line and the word hierarchy. So float and int is the 4 byte. If it is in the form of bits, 4 into 8, 32 bits, right? ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಅರ್ರೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದ್ 4-5 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಸೈಜ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ 8 5 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 5 into 4 20. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್? ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟು ದ ಸಬ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೂಪರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂತ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಬ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. Reuse, I can reuse, right? So that is the main purpose of inheritance. That is code reusable. Consider the this type of question. Consider the question. I can next question. Consider the following jumbled program statement. Jumbled andre it is in the not in the order, right? So that you are going to convert in the order. Choose correct statement to return the sum of first natural number in the reverse order. Reverse order ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 10 ಇಂದ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಬಂದು ಆಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 55 ನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 10 + 9 + 8. So what is the first thing? As we know, initialization. Initialization, it is the second statement. After that you can write down the loop for I is equal to 10, and you can write down the statement sum is equal to sum plus I and return sum. So what is the option? 2 3 1 4. 2 3 1 4. Option A. What is the return type? Correct. Next, string B. What is the? He has given 4 elements inside the string. It is an array consists of 4 elements. Double string. Which type of array is string array? System out dot println B of 2, B of 2, B of 2, B of 0 sun, B of 1 is moon. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು B of 0 ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ ಅದು 1 ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಬಾರ್ದು. Array and string are start from 0, right? B of 2 is earth. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ substring ಅಲ್ಲಿ only starting index ಕೊಟ್ಟವ, ending index ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. So 0 1 2 3. 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದು, 3 ಇಂದ ಏನೇನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? TH. So option is TH. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ substring 3, 4 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ only T. It is going to include the starting index. It is going to exclude the last index, right? That you can check. One question you can expect this type also. Okay. It is also this type of question is now in the trending. ಏನೇನಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ICSE ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. So he has given the boolean a value, initial value is true, b value is false. So here he has taken one condition, if a and b are a. So here he has taken and r, which is the highest precedence here, as we know, and. So if you will go for A and B, what is the A and B? True and false. You will get the answer false. Next, what is the output of this one? False or A value is true, right? False or true, you'll get the answer true only. So output will go to the here only. Yes. Example, instead of this one, if you are going to take here B or A, then ಏನಾದ್ರು and ಬದಲು ಏನಾದ್ರು B or A ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? False or A ಅಂದ್ರೆ true. True ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And A value is also true. True and true also, you'll get the answer A only. Okay. Highest precedence ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, 19th. So he has given that what is this? Oh, increment and decrement. Okay, A value is 2, B value is 3, C is equal to A plus B. So this is the post increment. It will remain same. And this is the pre-increment. A plus andre it will become 2 only, plus 3. 2 plus 4 ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, correct. Next, what is the updated value of A become, after the execution become, A become 3, right? 6 3. Oh, ಇದೆ option. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು B plus B ಅಂದ್ರೆ B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? updated value of B become 4, right? So option C, 6 3 4. Atted. Next, double x is equal to 7.8, y is equal to 2. This is explicit conversion. He has taken 7.8, 2.75. So here you are going to convert the double value into the integer of x plus y. X plus y andre 7 plus 8. Don't take 7 plus 2, 9. Athara alla. 7.8 plus 2.5 ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 9 ಆಯ್ತು. 10.3, right? So integer of 10.3, what is the output? It is going to 10.3 of after the explicit, it will become 10, not 10.0, because you are going to convert it into the integer 10, right? So it is the explicit conversion. You can converting from double to the integer. And the next question, method prototype. Which statement is correct for the method prototype given below? Void display, and he has taken 2 formal parameter. Display as a return type integer. Display as the return type integer, false. Display as the return type is void, right? False. Display is a constructor. We don't know what is the class name, he has not given. Wrong case. And as we know, constructor is don't have another one question, correct? Constructor don't have any return type, any non-return type also. That we know. And display as a 2 formal parameter. Display does not have any parameter ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, that too it is formal parameter. Perfect. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು display as a 2 actual parameter ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here the method definition we know, that is a formal parameter, right? And which access specifier? Which access specifier allows a class to member in the same class, subclasses and class under package? Yeah, it is a concept of inheritance. Inheritance topic bandre, which is the access specifier protected? ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಇದ್ಯಾದಪ್ಪ ನಾವು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಡಮಾರ್ 99 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್, ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. Private andre, what is the visibility of private? It is inside the method only, inside the block only, right? And another question you can expect, public andre it is a most accessible and less restriction. Yes, private is a least accessible and most restriction, right? And another is protected. It is related to the inheritance subclass. So itara bandre that is protected. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 12th ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಸ್ 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಿ ಸರಿ. So of the following is true about the private class number. It cannot be in a place in the, that is also true. False. It can be accessed by any class. No, any class ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It can be accessed only within the same class. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಸಬ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್, ಇದು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. It can be accessed anyway like a public ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್. So option B. Next, if array matrix is declared in Java, 5 into 5 array, what is the index of last element? ಇದೊಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 5 into 5 ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 5 into 5 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವನು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಯಾರು ಗುಬಾಲ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 5 into 5 means 0 to 4, 0 to 4, right? So what is the last index? 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Last variant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. What is the last index of the array? It is 4 into 4. Next, for int 20, how many times loop will run? ಏನಿದು 25th ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ರನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಲೂಪು? ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರನ್. 1 second. 20 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಟ 10 ಗಂಟೆ ರನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 20 ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಕಡಿಮೆ 3 ಸತಿ 3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 17. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ 13 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 13 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 10ಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ರನ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರನ್ 3 times. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. This question also you can expect in the board exam. How many times loop will execute? Pre-board and all, I think you know. Which is the output statement in the Java print ln n. N ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು index variable 10. ನೋಡು ಎಂತ ರಾಂಗ್. 4 times ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 20, 17, 13, 14, 11. ನೋಡು, ನಾನು ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲೆಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲೆಂಡರ್ is 4 times. Right? 17, 14 minus 3, 11. It is going to print 20, 17, 14, 11, 4 times. This type also ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ನ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಒಂದು ಶೀಟ್, ಟೇಕ್ ದ ರಫ್ ಶೀಟ್ and you can write on the last sheet. In the last sheet you can write on the what is that ASCII code. What is the ASCII range of capital A to Z, small a to z, and 0 to 9. Capital A to Z is 65 to 90, small a to z 97 to 122, and 0 to 9 is 48 to 57. That you can write. And don't forget the loops questions kodo matte meta related MCQ question, assertion, reasons. Take your time. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಒಂದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Think twice. Okay. MCQ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 marks questions ನೀವು ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 100 out of 100 is also analytical, logical. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಂತ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ದು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಂತ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟರ್, ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್. ನೋ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ programming language. What software developer they are using, that you are learning in the grade 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. Java programming language. Okay, ಸಾಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ these are the 25 trickiest question. I think it will be useful exam time ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಬಂದ್ರೆ. In related to the other one memories, I know that one and all, you can go to the 2025 the board paper and the improvement exam question paper and specimen paper and work on that. You can get it. Easy questions ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಾನು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋಂಥ 25 ವೆರಿ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಈಸಿನೂ ಅನ್ಸ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಟಫ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿನೂ ಅನ್ಸ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.